I want to show you how I make these earrings, and what I'm going to do is have it so that it's suspended by wire wrapping on either side of this. And basically I trim the wire. I make sure that I have enough, and I go look at the placement where I want it to go, and I make my initial wrap this way, and I keep it tight. I go twice down, and you also want it to be on top as well. That way it doesn't slip upward when the top is narrower. And the more wraps you have, the more secure it really is. And so I've got, and I want it to be the same width above and below, so I just count the number of wraps. Then, so I'll make sure that it's tight and flush, and I go this way. If I don't want the beads to be sliding right and left, because with more wire, it covers the hole is going to be too small for it to go through both wires. So I do that. Now, I have to make sure that I know I don't push them all to the side and it's still centered like this, and I might just do one more. And the other thing is, don't trim it just yet. Make sure that you're okay with it. You can always do it one more wrap after. So now I look at it and it's approximately where I want it, and I adjust widthwise just so that it's horizontal, straight. I'm going to take a look at it before I go further, and I do the same number of wraps on the other side. And you might want to be using pliers, but I'm just for filming, I don't want too many pairs of pliers in blocking your view. So let me see. I got one more just to be even. Okay. And at this point, you adjust all your wires to make sure that they are flush. And then the trick is at every stage you smoothen out your wires, because it's hard to try to go backwards to smoothen out a bubble that you had created 3 loops ago. And it's much easier when you're using thinner wire that is soft. So now here I've got that, and I do want them tight, squished together so that they stay this way. So I'm going to now do another loop this way just to make sure that it is tight. Okay, I'm getting there, and I think I'm going to make sure, and I want to make sure that it is centered. And towards the end, it is much easier to use pliers to help you pull through. See, there we go. It's already not moving, and I could do more to secure it. And then I push forward, push to the side as I pull down, and that squeezes it tight. There. And I like the effect of that, and I trim at the back so that it doesn't really matter too much. It's just that I don't like when it's at the front for you to see the ends of the wire. And there you have it. Now I'm ready to add my earring hook.